So hello guys, I'm tired. After the flight, couldn't sleep in the airport. Waited for 9 hours to get the supplies in the city. And we haven't had specific type of gas container which was okay to use on my system. So I went through like 5-6 shops and then still had to buy new gas system. Fuck. I think I need to take a rest. Hey guys, so having a tiny break and this kind of scenery. Look at the mountains, man. Nice. Nice. There's tiny, cute lake in the bottom. Like really far way down. So dark, man. It ain't gonna go as fast as I was thinking. Yeah. And that's the path walks. I mean, it's cool, but can't go really fast in here. And this is gonna be the spot. That's gonna be what we're gonna see in the morning. That's beautiful. I'm gonna set up the camp somewhere here. Or maybe there. We'll see. Okay, so made some noodles, a little bit over salted. Disappointed, but still gonna eat them. Have some water boiled prepared from the lake. I haven't put some extra water for tomorrow. And heating up the tea in the cup. Excellent sunset. So I'm gonna go to bed. Yo guys, so the day is finished. I'm in my sleeping bag, charging my stuff, drinking tea. I'm gonna watch some movie, gonna fall asleep. Gonna wake up just before 7, hopefully not early. And that's that. We'll see you in the morning.
Good morning guys, so that's what's my morning. Oatmeal with raspberries and some coffee. Obviously ate some nuts as well. Okay, gonna have my breakfast, gonna pack all my stuff, and then we're gonna move.
People say their life is difficult. Look at this birch tree growing on the side of the cliff. Stream from which you could drink water. Yeah, so build a bridge and across. Now that's some beauty. So beautiful in here. We have unlimited berries. Jesus. I'm gonna collect some, gonna make some tea as well. Of course, I wouldn't like to fall in this place. But it's magnificent. It's beautiful. Majestic. Go. I've never seen strawberries this big in the wild. Only in Norway. Yeah, so just arrived in a really cool place. Just the sheer drop of it. Amazing. The further we walk, the cooler it gets. Amazing place. And we have free water refill. Let's go. So, behind me is the highest peak I ever climbed myself or hiked. 412 or 13 meters. Now I'm walking down the first big lake, then second really small, and then third really huge. We're gonna look to stay somewhere. In my estimate, it's gonna be 20 minutes. It's like a cave. Cool. Interesting. Probably it's not allowed legally to go there. Would be fun. Yeah, so I arrived at my camping spot. It's amazing, but there's a storm coming. Literally, I'm racing now to pack my tent, to build my tent, because before the storm hits me, and then I might just gonna go swim to that Tano, or Nano Island. Oh, there's one more there, but it's not visible. I just made it in time, and basically, fucking storm started. Let's just hope the tent gonna hold. Alright then. Hello guys. Today picked. I'm also gonna make some jam for later. It's gonna be awesome. More than amazing. Homemade mountain jam. It's gonna be amazing. Let's go, motherfuckers. Just wait. Sure looks. And to drink Just need it hot. Oh shit. Well, that's not nice. Yeah, guys, so that's how my dinner looks. Fried pork stew with my added onions, mashed potatoes, and some tea. And maybe gonna make some dessert afterwards. We'll see. Yeah, guys, so I decided also to shove all the cranberries and blueberries I found, put some sugar, mash it a little bit, and heat it up for a while. And now we have natural Norway's mountains jam made from fresh berries picked today. That's gonna be nice. All done. Day's finished. Did 17 kilometers progress in really steep hills, mountains. I mean, locals don't call them mountains; they just call them big hills. To me, they are mountains, 500 meters tall. To me, it's like a tiny mountain, but still a mountain. Yeah, and yeah, having my tea. Always amazing to have a tea, warm tea, after a long day of hike. You know, when you're using no sleeping bag during the night and you have the case of it empty, lying around for no reason, just stuff it with your clothes, and that's a really nice pillow. Incredible. In my case, I'm using 2 sleeping bags, so I could make 2 pillows. I might do it. Yeah, it is just coming in after dinner. Sorry, forgot to say night night, motherfuckers.